YouTube XB Marketing back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a free landing page without paying for subscription fee, such like click funnels, lead pages, Builderall, and all that. And this video was actually as a result of a question Tariq Osman asked, about how to get away with posting posting content locking link on Facebook. So we went back and forth, and I told him I'll make a video about it. So this is going to be an example landing page, but you can follow the process on how I create landing pages for free with site.google.com, right? So without further ado, let's jump right to the video. So all right guys, what we're going to be doing is this. This is an example landing page I'll be using in this for the purpose of this video, right? So I'll be showing you guys how I made this landing page from scratch. All right, so let's jump into it. So first of all, you want to go to site.google.com/new, of course. Then you can use any of these. I think you have to log into your Gmail account, right? And I believe almost everyone has a Gmail account, so I'm already logged into mine, right? So yeah, so basically you have to come down here. I usually use the blank one, but you can use any of these templates. All you need to do is edit the template and you'll be good. So I'll use the blank. All right, it's loading up. All right, so what we're going to do now is this. We're going to delete this. Then we come to this text box and you click on this and choose heading. Then you type in whatever you want as the header. Just as in this case, I use the title of the content locker. Let me show you guys the content locker right quick. If I click on this link, it will take me to the content locker. Right, loading up, so you guys can see it's a content locker. If they click on that link, but the thing is this, you don't want to share, because this link is actually from Cpagrip, and you don't want to share this link on Facebook, because if you do, Facebook is going to block the link. You can't do the same on YouTube as well. You can't do that on Quora as well. You can't do that on so many platforms. So this is the reason why you need a landing page. But now we are going to be using this free one. But of course, the paid one are usually the best. But we all want to use the free one if we can. All right. So yeah. So you want to copy this. You want to make sure whatever you are writing as the heading of your landing page is going to be the same as what is in the main content locker page, because you don't want the visitor to be like, okay, you don't want the visitors to feel like they are in a different page. You understand what I'm saying? So all right, so you want to copy this. So now this is the locker page. So you want to copy this heading of this locker page and make it as the same heading for the for the landing page. So we'll paste that here, and you want to bold that, right? If you remember, you have to use this heading, but you don't have to, really. You don't have to, but I just prefer using heading. You bold that, Title, sorry guys, title, I mean not heading. Title actually looks better than heading. Then you want to justify that. So let's highlight that and put it in the middle. So the next thing we are going to do now is we want to grab a picture from this picture. This is the original landing page. So how do we import a picture? So you want to, like I said earlier, in the beginning of this or in the middle of this video, you want to make sure the content locker page is as similar as the landing page as much as you can, right? So we want to use this picture. So what you're basically going to do is you just copy the image address. You click that and then you come to image and you want to make sure you choose this select. If you have image on your computer you want to upload, that is fine, but I don't. So I click on this select, then I come to this by URL. So you paste the URL link here, the one you copied from your locker page. Then you click on insert image. You can see how easy this is, guys. You can see how simple it is, right? So you want to make it, you want to enlarge the image and make it look good. You want to center it, you want to paste it in the middle. All right, I think it's okay like this. Okay, maybe a little bit. All right, looks good. So let's go back to the original page I made. You can see the image in the middle. I mean the title of the content locker, the image, attractive image before and after. Because if you go back to the landing page, because if you go back to the content locker page, you are going to see I logged a PDF, to the 3-week diet. So this is some before and after picture to increase conversion, right? So this is the last thing we need to do now. Then we need to copy this link as well. Then we have to click text box again, paste that link in there. You highlight the link and you want to choose title again, not heading, because title makes it bigger and easier for the users to read. And you ought to also bold that as well. And you might be wondering if you can change colors. Yeah, you can absolutely change the color of the text by coming to theme and click on this color dropper, and you can change it to any color you like, but let's leave it as red. If you want it to be yellow, you can make it whatever color you like. Green, okay, you need to highlight it first. You can basically choose any color you like, but like I said, we'll keep it as red. Okay, so let's move on. All right, so one thing you want to make sure you do is this: on this link, on this header, this title, you want to make sure you insert the link, then you grab the link of the content, you grab the content locker link, you copy it, and then you paste the content locker link in here, so that if the visitor clicks on this link, they get redirected to the content locker page. Right, you want to do the same thing for the image, right? So you click on the image, you click on this insert link, you paste the link, apply it. You want to do the same thing for this last one as well, because you don't want to miss out on any opportunity, right? You paste the link in there. All right. So everything looks fine and simple. Everything looks fine and clean. And always you want to make the landing page as simple as possible, because you don't want the visitors to feel like you just want to make money off them, right? You want to always make the landing page simple, just like this one. So now what we're going to do now is we are going to publish this landing page. So click on the publish. And we click on, and we will type the name of it. Let's say 3 week okay, 3 hyphen week hyphen diet hyphen, okay, let's leave it as 3 week diet. Okay, that is taken. Okay, 3 week diet ebook, is that available? Oh, it's also taken. Okay, I think I was the one who took the ebook, the 3 week diet ebook. So instead of using ebook, let's say 3 week diet method. So once we get the free one, then you hit on this publish. So once you hit on the publish, you'll be able to get the link. So you want to click on this insert URL link again, then you copy this link. So let's check out what it looks like. So paste and go. Awesome. So you can see the free landing page we just made using Google Sites. So if the buyer, once the visitor lands on this page, and you can see the link looks clean. You see, it's a Google link. So yeah, it looks clean. So once they click on this 3 week diet or this image, and most people click on image. If they see an image on your website, they will most likely click on that image. So once they click on this image, it will redirect them to your offer. Boom, right? So once they get to this offer, once they get to this content locker, they can watch this video if they like. This is a content locker I made.
You're about to learn the underground fat burn.
So if you want me to show a video how to make it, leave a comment down below, and I'll make a video on how to make a content locker like this. So once they click on this download, you can see different offers they can complete, and once they complete one of these offers, you'll get a commission for that. So you can see this landing page is way better than the last landing page I showed in my previous video. Not that the one in my previous video isn't going to work, it's also going to work, but this one is better because it has pictures of real people, and if you look at all these people, they look real and legit. And if the user also clicks on this load more, you can see it's loading and it will show more comments, right? So that's that for this video, guys. If you like this video and you love if you love my content, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. So Any questions you have, guys, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try and I'll do all my best to reply to that comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.